Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily change suggested reels on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up Instagram app. Then you can tap at that Reels icon and it will start showing Reels. I know guys how you like to see Reels on Instagram, but sometimes unfortunately we get Reels that we would not like to see. So let me show you how you can easily fix it. First off, once you find a reel that you really like, you can tap at that heart icon to like that reel. Just tap, and then you can swipe up to see the next one. Let's say I like it too. I can hit that like button, and then once you find a video that you don't really like, you should dislike it. In order to do that, just hit at these three dots icon, then tap at not interested, and then you can select one of that options, like don't suggest posts from that user, don't suggest posts with certain words, or this post made me uncomfortable. So you can just select any of that options. So I'm just gonna hit at the last one. In this way you will tell Instagram algorithms which content you like and which you don't, and if you will do it regularly, the recommendations of Instagram will adjust to your preferences and you will get more interesting reels. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Instagram tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.